Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will be showing you that how to embed a PayPal subscription and recurring payment button inside your website using HTML and CSS. So basically PayPal is a very internationally worldwide payment gateway. If you see it, if you just type it on Google, so basically every company uses PayPal to for payment integration purposes and it is worldwide popular. So you can see it is founded in 1998. So we will be embedding its subscription or recurring payment button. So if you don't know about subscription payment, it's kind of a auto paying payment everyone. So if you just write here subscription payment, so it will tell you what is subscription payment. It is the payments which is also called recurring payments. It's an automatic payments on a schedule. So basically you are charging the user for every month or every day, so it happens automatically. So I will be showing you how to add a very simple button to your website, or you can send it through a link also. So for this you need to, first of all, you need to be having a PayPal account for this. So you need to log in inside your PayPal dashboard, and I will be showing you step by step instruction on how to do this process. So first of all, what you need to do is that you need to simply log in paypal.com. So just log in with your email address. If you don't have a PayPal account, simply sign up. If you have one, simply plug the details, email and password, and log in inside your PayPal dashboard. And you will now see your summary here. And now, first of all, what you need to do is that you need to go to the tools option and simply go to all tools. So after going to all tools, you will see your all the tools which are available here. And now you simply need to select your PayPal buttons option. You will see that this is the option you need to select. Simply click the open button, and now you will see which button you like to create. So basically there are various options out there. First is smart buttons, buy now button, add to cart, smart subscribe, or subscribe. So we will choose the fifth option. This is the button that we need to embed this on the website. So basically it set up recurring charges of the same amount for your goods and services. So it also includes an unsubscribe button also. So just click this and now you will be redirected to this screen here. So basically it will say that create a PayPal payment button. So now if you see, if you click the buy now button, it will change to buy now, or it will change to subscribe. So you can also change to add to cart, but in most of the subscription payments the button label will be subscribe. So basically if you go to any sort of course website such as udemy.com or any sort of course based website, they have their recurring payment, or these online courses website, they have their own recurring payments, so buttons out there. So simply subscribe button. So here you can give your item name, such as I can give it as coding Shiksha tools. And in the subscription ID, you can just give the same label, coding Shiksha tools. And then you can select your currency around the world. So various currencies are available to you. So the majority of the people use USD, United States dollars. So I will stick to this. And then you can also play with these options. You can select more options here like this. You can provide a drop down menu here like this. You can also add a text field right here like this. But majority of the time you don't need to, you need to stick with the default options. And after doing this, guys, you simply need to uh, this is very much important, billing amount each cycle. So you need to provide the amount that you will charge the user for every month here. So you can provide any value of your choice. So I will provide $5 I will charge per user every month. So you can select this button if you want the user to create the username and password when they do payment, but I will just uncheck this box. After that, the billing cycle is very important in recurring payment. So how much you charge for every month or 2 months, you can select here. You can also put days here also. You can also select weeks and years. So majority of the time, this is months type, and for each and every month you will charge it. So I will stick to 1 month. So after that, it will saying how after how many cycles should billing stop. So majority of the time it is never. So you can also select 6 months, after 6 months, 2 months, but I will select never. So if you do want to offer a trial period, so many of the cases, if you see the coding websites or courses website, they do offer a trial period. Then you can set up a amount for, let's suppose you also only want the 1 USD for a trial, and you can give the trial for only 2 days. So you can just select here 2 days trial is there. So that way you can offer a free trial to the user, but I will not. So then you can select your merchant ID, but I will select my secure merchant account ID. Or you can also select your email address like this, and then you can track your email inventory profit and loss like this. So here I have selected my email address like this. You can see that email address I've selected. So all the notifications will be sent to my email address. Then the third button is this button, which is customized checkout pages. So if you have a website here, you can provide the URL, but I will stick to the default option. And then we will create the button here like this, create the button. So now it will create this button to you, and this will be the button. And simply you need to, this is a button which is ready here. So basically you can make a index.html file here, simple index.html file, copy paste that code inside this. So if you have a website, you can also paste this code, and this will have a simple button here which will be subscribe button. So basically you can support MasterCard, Visa card, all this stuff. If you click the subscribe button, you will see now this payment will be there. You will be redirected to the payment page where you can make the payment like this. This is selected here. You can see $5 is selected. So whatever that you configured right here inside the tool website, you can see $5 subscription details, $5 for each month, renews until you cancel, starts on 15 March, coding Shiksha tools, $5, total $5. So you can just make the payment here. So this is quite easy to set up a subscription or recurring payment button inside PayPal. And you can also send through an email also. Basically it generates an email link also. You can send this email to your friend. When they open this link, they will be redirected directly to the payment page where they can log in with their account, and they can make the payment. So this is as easy as that. You can see this is your account here. Simply you will make the payment. So this is the recurring and subscription payment button. If you want to embed it inside your website using HTML and CSS, JavaScript. So this is the actual button here. I have shown you step by step. So if you have any sort of doubt, you can ask in. And there is also a smart subscribe button also. This also does the same thing. This is a new button which is added here inside PayPal. It's set up a subscription plan and give your customer options to uh, subscribe with PayPal and major credit and debit cards on almost any device. So it also have support for various other payment options. So that's why you can see that you can create this, click on get started, and you can create the button here. So the previous one was pretty simple. I showed you how to make that, but this is a new subscription tool. So I will not recommend this one. But the previous one that I recommended you how to embed a subscription or recurring button, I will definitely recommend you to go to the tools option and go to all tools, and then you need to go to the PayPal buttons. Simply go to PayPal buttons and simply click the subscribe button here and just make your button. So it's that easy. Simply click it. And this is all the things, guys. I have shown you step by step how to do this process. And I will be seeing you in the next stream.